benefit from it. Maybe some people, some students may respect the teacher due to fear that he will cut off marks, something like that, like. But I don't want to say like this. Don't want to hurt anybody. Don't want to comment anybody. But I want to say, in my view, try to correct yourself. They are saying they are elder than you, very experienced. Our teachers are very good, and they have lots more.